corner's charm makes me wanna fly. Walking Regal in Regedor, feeling like I could explore. With every step, I want more. As the city opens its door, dodging alleys left and right, every turn's a treasure, a pure delight. From dim sum here to Culinary there, the beauty and the flavors, an endless affair. Walking Regal in Regedor, feeling like I could explore. With every step, I want more. As the city opens its door, in this mosaic of wonder, I take it all in stride. Every step an experience, with pride I glide. Through the heart of Taipa, my spirit soars high. In the embrace of Regedor, I touch the sky. Walking Regal in Regedor, feeling like I could explore. With every step, I want more. As the city opens its door, opens its door.
Okay, we have Regedor Street. To give you a little context, we're going to be walking down this street, which is kind of a food street, and the neon lights are just coming on. And on this side we have Broadway, Galaxy, Venetian Casino, more of Galaxy, and we have an Italian restaurant. So we're going to just stroll down this way and follow this restaurants and see what all the different restaurants are. So we'll start out with this Italian one on the corner. So stay tuned for that. Beautiful Huadu Regedor in Taipa Village. This is right next to the casinos, so people can come across, and they can also come out of the train station technically as well, and they can go over the train station from the casinos and right into Taipa Village. And this would be the first street that they would get into, and then right from it you can go into all kinds of different directions into the Taipa Village, all these cool little alleys everywhere, or you can go all the way down to the end, which we're going to do in this video. And there's a Nike store, take a left, and then you get right into the downtown area with all the tallest buildings. But Taipa Village is more the quaint, cool little spot. And you probably saw all of that already. And I guess you also saw the map, because I've been playing the map behind me already. And we're gonna get right into the walk and talk where you can hear me interact with the camera. So let's do that now. Pew. So Regedor. So we're gonna walk straight down that way. So we do have this Italian restaurant, and we're going to show you a lot more of them. We have the Broadway Galaxy right there. You can see the neon lights, and you can also see that little kiosk. That little kiosk marks what used to be the Taipa Village marketplace, and that used to be at the ocean. Then they filled in the land for Cotai Strip, and they built all the casinos. So we're starting out right where that is at the old Taipa Village marker, and we're gonna walk by some of these restaurants, including the Frangi Grill. So we had an Italian one. We also walked by a Spanish one. I will just kind of check it all out. Litoral, which is pretty well known. There's some Michelin awards written there, and there's a big sign for Litoral as well. And we'll just keep on strolling down. And then to the right is actually a school. That's Portuguese/Chinese school, Liceu Chinesa. So we're gonna, there's actually a train station. There's a station, the Paycock station right there. You can see a blue sign. So there's one row of restaurants, and we're gonna have a lot more. We'll just keep on strolling down. Then we have a nice park. We're gonna walk that direction anyways. And I think I'm actually gonna walk into that park. Right here is kind of an ice cream place. So that's kind of this park area. Then stroll by like that. I think there's actually some kind of event going on as well. And this is called the old Wallace Fountain right here. So that one says there's actually been water coming out of here since 2005. And this is actually one of two. There's another one on the Macau side as well. So I guess this is a Wallace Foundation. I'm gonna keep on walking down our Regedor Street. And we'll miss some restaurants on that side, but we're gonna catch some different ones on this side. Including this little plaza and this little restaurant right here. Just highlight this real quick. They have pork chop buns. I was watching some other YouTuber and he came specifically to this one. So he must have read about that particular one. I have ate pork chop buns there, but there's pork chop buns everywhere, so. But he made me kind of curious if that particular one is known for that, or if that's just one that he just saw because he likes the location. I hear some loudspeakers, so I think there's something going on in the park over here. So we'll hear that in a minute. Oh, I can kind of see it already. So we're gonna be down there in a second anyways. There's people with their cameras here too. So I guess we're gonna see all that. Huh. There we go, right there. Huh. So I guess this is all, or if it's reserved. We'll keep on strolling down though. Okay. So Regedor just keeps on going down, so we're going to follow that down. And I almost think that the other side of the street would be better because they're building something here. So we're going to go down this way. So yeah, there's a bunch of scaffolding, so they're doing something. They're kind of changing this whole area. So we'll see how that looks in the future. Let's see. This is the Drunken Tower. This one was a bar, but now it's a beef au pas place. But yeah, actually that was like an award-winning bar. So that one was, they had like Boston lobster, but it was it's like called Drunken Chinese or Drunken Fist or something like that. Maybe a Jackie Chan reference or maybe something else. So I'm kind of surprised. It kind of came right near the end of COVID, and then COVID lifted, and that seemed like that was going to be successful because it was so popular. I'm going to come right here. I always like this. These buildings right here look pretty cool. So I am going to go across. And then we're going to try to capture this building right here. And then we're going to walk. Into the crowd slightly here. And then here we have a Portuguese restaurant called Madeira. And you also got like second story. Kind of go back and try to capture that on the corner like that. So kind of a cool looking building. So then that's our target street right here. Let me just kind of do a quick. Looks amazing. So yeah, they have these potted plants all up and down the street as well. Got Circle K, lots of different restaurants. And then we have our plaza right there as well. And we're just gonna stroll through more beef pot restaurants. So yeah, this is a Regedor Street, kind of a restaurant street. And this goes into Taipa village. Oh, they're actually doing some artwork right there. We're going to capture that because this is all new. Oops, got a car coming right there. So that's actually, they're just doing it, wow, the first time I've seen it. Okay, so we're going to keep on walking. Huh. So they got the red on the front as well. So we'll see what that looks like later. I'm sure I'll come back and film that. So this is our Regedor Street so far. And that's that little alley. There's Dumbo restaurant right there. Okay, so we're going to keep on strolling through. Regedor Street. And we're going to be around the corner. Where'd that go? Oh, there it is. But there's some, that building right there has some books. You can kind of see it like right in that spot. It's kind of hard to see. You have to kind of be across the street. Have to catch the angle just right. But this building kind of reminded me of that because it's also kind of a pastel yellow, as is that one. Okay, so we're going to keep on walking down Regedor. And then we're going to be going towards the this kind of food street and around the corner in a second. And you're going to see lots of people down in this way. So there's Galaxies all the way down to the end. And then we're just going to stroll through this whole area. Yeah, this one is Food Street. Lots of people in here, always. So this is actually called Culinary. Always crowded, and I thought it'd be more crowded. Okay, so we're still walking down our street, so let's continue down it. So that's that little Culinary street, and we are gonna walk down like this. This is a Nike store right there, so people will refer to it as the Nike store, especially if you're gonna meet around here. So this is kind of a newer one. Newer meaning like 2 years, 3 years ago. Here's Havana. It's like a cigar place. Okay, Smart Store. And then to the left, they started, there used to be like municipal, like government stuff was there, like different vehicles they would just store there. And then over time they started to change it. There's a parking garage right there. So actually, and then right straight ahead is this is the old firecracker museum. So I think this is a good spot to end our video. Right here. So hopefully kind of interesting. You got to see a slice of Macau. And what it looks like. That's a kind of interesting building over there too. Okay. So this is kind of full. I think it's something to do with the holidays, so it's all set up now. And looks really busy. There's a temple straight ahead as well. So very cool. So that's the end of the Regedor. So we're gonna end it for this one.
Dodging alleys left and right. Every turn's a treasure, a pure delight. From dim sum here to Macanese there. The beauty and the flavors, an endless affair. Oh, Walking Macau and Regedor.